Hello everyone, this is Intion, and in this video we're going to fix this problem which says sticky keys. It may be annoying while you are playing a game or working on something. So let's try to remove this today. So to fix this problem, all you have to do is to go to the start menu, go to the settings, and then go to ease of access. Then you scroll down to keyboard, and here it say allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. Just check this box and that's it. You can spam your shift and it will never appear, which fixes our problem. I hope this will help you. I hope you have a great day or night.